Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1.7 variable. A variable is something that is likely to vary or something that is subject to variation. वो चीज जिसके अंदर वेरिएशन है, चेंज है, या जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो जाती है उसे हम वेरिएबल कहते हैं. We can also say that a variable is a quantity that can assume any of a set of value. In other words, we can say that a variable is a characteristic that varies from one person or things to another thing. It is a characteristic number or quantity that increase or decrease over time or take different value in different situations. Or in more precise word, it is a conditions or quality that can differ from one case to another. We often measure or count it. A variable may also be called a data item. Examples of variables for humans are height, weight, age, number of civilians, business income, expenses, country of birth, capital expenditure, marital status, eye color, gender, class, grades, and vehicle type, etc. The variables that give numerical information measurement are called quantitative or numerical variable, and the variable that gives non-numerical information or measurement called क्वालिटेटिव और कैटेगोरिकल वेरिएबल. वो वेरिएबल जिसके अंदर आप क्वांटिटेटिवली या मेयर कर सकते हो उसे क्वांटिटेटिव बोलते हैं, जिसमें क्वांटिटेटिवली मेयर नहीं कर सकते उनमें उसे हम qualitative or categorical variable कहते हैं. In the above example, first seven are the examples of quantitative variable and last five are the examples of categorical variables. ये जो हमने भी डिस्कस किए हैं, ह्यूमन, हाइट, वेट, एज, नंबर ऑफ सिविलियंस, बिजनेस इनकम एंड एक्सपेंसेस, कंट्री ऑफ बर्थ, कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर, marital status, eye color, gender, class, grades, and vehicle types, ये तमाम variables. Quantitative variables can further be classified as either discrete or continuous. जो quantitative variable है उसको हम further classify कर सकते हैं discrete या continuous में. आइए देखते हैं डिस्क्रीट वेरिएबल क्या होता है. कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेपरेट indivisible categories values. No values can exist between two neighboring categories values. For example, 7 doors or 8 doors. No other value can be used in between them. डिस्क्रीट वो होता है जैसे 7 और 8 के दरमियान कोई फिगर नहीं होगा, डिस्क्रीट है, उसे हम discrete variable बोलेंगे. These variables are commonly restricted to whole countable numbers. For example, the number of children in a family or the number of students attending the class. जैसे एक फैमिली में कितने बच्चे हैं, 2 हैं, 3 हैं, 4 हैं, 5 हैं, होल नंबर है ना डिस्क्रीट. क्लास में कितने बच्चे आए हैं, 25 है, 26 है, 30 है, 40 है, 50 है, यानी कि जो भी है, आज 31 है, 32 है, 33 है, तो इनके दरमियान में कोई मिसिंग नंबर्स नहीं होंगे जैसे पॉइंट्स में बोलते हैं. If anyone observes a class attending from day to day, he may find 30 students one day and 29 students the next day. A discrete variable may also consist of observations that differ qualitatively. For example, a psychologist observing patients may classify some as having panic disorders, others as having dissociative disorders, and some as having psychotic disorders. The type of disorder is a discrete variable because there are distinct and finite categories that can be observed. On the other hand, variables such as time, height, and weight are not limited to a fixed set of separate indivisible categories. They are divisible in an infinite number of fractional parts such as variables are called continuous variables. For example, a researcher is measuring the amount of time required to solve a particular mental arithmetic problem. He can measure time in hours, minutes, seconds, and fractions of seconds. जैसे अब ये वेरिएबल है, न्यूमेरिकल वेरिएबल होगा और कैटेगोरिकल वेरिएबल होगा. न्यूमेरिकल में डिस्क्रीट और कंटिन्यूस होगा, कैटेगोरिकल में नॉमिनल और ऑर्डिनल वेरिएबल होगा. उम्मीद है यहाँ तक आपको ये चीजें क्लियर होगी. अब हम बात करते हैं लेवल ऑफ मेजरमेंट की.